A very good morning, everyone. Hope everyone is fine and excited to join the Zoom class. Now, as this is the first class after half yearly, we will just recall lesson number 6 of civics, that is understanding media, of which explanation was done before the half yearly. So, for this, please open your civics book, that is lesson number 6. Now, in this lesson, we have read that radio. Wait a second, let me share my screen. So, in this lesson, we have read that radio, TV, newspaper, internet, and several other forms of communication are collectively known as media. So, media is a plural form. Now, what is media? Media, it is a plural form of word medium, and it describes the various ways through which communicate we communicate in the society. So, what does the word media means? It is collectively used for the communication purpose, the things which are used for the communication purpose, that is radio, TV, newspaper, internet, and several other forms of communication. And this word media is the plural form of medium, which means how to communicate in the society. Now, media and technology, it would be probably difficult for you to imagine the life without media. So, newspaper, television, and radio can reach millions of people because they use certain technologies. Now, these means of communication can reach millions of people just because of the certain technology. And we tend to discuss newspaper and magazines as print media. Now, overall, the means of communication are called as media. Now, again, the word media is again separated as print media and electronic media. Now, the print media, what is the printed material? That is the newspaper and magazine are termed as print media, and the TV and radio as an electronic media. Next, we have seen that changing technology or machines and making technology more modern helps media to reach more people. Now, this changing technology, day by day, technology is being changing, and due to that, modern modern technology has been introduced through which the media can reach more and more people at the same time. And this changing technology has also improved the quality of sound and images what we are seeing today through the media. Then it also changes the ways in which we think about our lives. Again, next we have seen that television also has enabled us to think ourselves as a member of larger global world. Now, television images travel huge distances through satellites and cables. Now, what are satellites and cables? I already informed you that what is a satellite and cable? It is an object in the space that circles or object around bigger object, that is called as satellites and cables. So, these television images travel through the distances through the satellites and cable. Next, we have started with the media and money. In this, we have seen that different technology that mass media use are very expensive. How they are very expensive? That just to show one TV show in the studio, news reader is there, lights, cameras, recorders, transmission, satellites, all these accessories are also there, which cost a lot of money. And just because of that only, due to these spent cost, the mass media needs a great deal of money, and that is why due to this cost, so much cost, it is needed just to tell broadcast one proper uh, program through the channel or through any media. It costs a lot of money, and that is why it needs a great deal of money to do this work. And as a result, most television channels and newspaper are part of big business houses. Business houses means these houses are those which promote a type of advertisement, or some promotion is there for any particular product or thing. And that is why these TV channels and newspaper become the part of these big business houses, which help them to earn money for this telecast of the programs, different programs. Then we have seen that one way in which the mass media earns money is by advertising different things like cars, chocolates, clothes, mobile telephones, etc. Now, mass media has also earned money through the advertisement. Now, these advertisements are shown again and again, repeatedly, between one single program. Why? So that uh, that can leave a type of image in your minds, in the image of the people who are watching that particular advertisement, so that whenever they go in the market for purchasing anything, the particular thing which is in their mindset, through means what they have seen through the advertisement, they can opt for that. Then next we have seen about media and democracy also, that in a democracy the media also plays a very important role in providing news and discussing events taking place in the country and the world. So in a democratic country also, media is very important because it provides the working of the government, how the government is working, what important decisions it is taking. All those are means all those information are given to the people, to the citizens through this media only. And if people wish that they should take action on the particular law or particular rule which they do not like, or which is not benefit or fruitful for the society, they can take the action against the government. And how they can take that action? They can do this by writing the letters to the concerned minister, organizing public protest, means they can protest against that particular law, or even starting a signature campaign. Then we have seen that next about the balance report. About the balance report, we have seen that what is a balance report? A balance report is one that discusses all points of view of a particular story and then leaves it to the reader to make up their minds. That means whatever things are given in the report, it is means all are given in a detailed form to the reader, and it leads to the reader to decide whether that particular story which is given by the reporter is really true or not, or whatever decision the reader can take for that particular story, he or she can take. And that is called as a balance report. So a balance report is one that discusses all points of view, whether it is negative or it is a positive view. Every aspect of that particular story is discussed in this balance report, and then it is left to the reader to make up their minds to decide what all they think about that particular story. Then next, writing a balanced report also depends on the media being independent. Now, to write this balanced report, overall it depends upon that media is to remain independent. Now, what is independent media? An independent media means that no one should control and influence its coverage of news. That means no big business houses should not have any control, or big government officers, or any means influential person should not have any influence on this media. And that is why it will be considered as an independent media, and then only the media will be able to show the correct uh, we can say news to the public. Then we read about the censorship also. Now, what is censorship? It is when the government prevents either a news item or scenes from the movie, or the lyrics of the song from being shared with the larger public, that is referred as censorship. Now, what is censorship? In the simple terms, it is that the government prevents the media to show to the public those items, those scenes, those song lines of those song which will create some nuisance in the society, which can create problem, which can create any confusion in the society. Those things are censored by the government. Those things are means the media is stopped to show, stopped by the government to show those types of things to the public in open, so that the society is not harmed by those particular scenes or lyrics. Then we come to see that despite the absence of censorship by the government, most newspapers today still fail to provide a balanced story. Still, the newspapers today provide to fail the balanced story, and the reason is that persons who search the media have said that this happens because business houses control the media. Now, from which the media is making money to enhance its programs and all, then the big business houses have the control over this type of media, and that is why whatever shown by the media is still not a balanced report, balanced story, and we can say overall that independent media is not independent now also. Now, after this, we have seen that setting of agendas. Now, setting of agendas means now media only decides what to show and what not to be shown to the public. For example, example is given that in a uh, school, the annual function is organized, and if the chief guest is some famous personality, then only the media will cover that story, that program. Otherwise, the media will not cover that program. Why this is so? Because now media has the right to schedule or the program to be shown, what which program to be shown or which not to be shown, from which it can earn money. Next, we have seen that as citizens of a democracy, the media has a very important role to play in our lives also, because it is through the media that we hear about issues related to the working of the government. Now, as we are citizens of India, media also plays very important role, because we have to have the knowledge about the issues or about the working of the government, what is happening in the government. So the media decides what to focus on, and in this way it set up an agenda that the government can at times prevent the media also from publishing a story, and this is called censorship. Even the government can prevent not to show or not to discuss whatever is happening in the government procedure to the media. That is called again the censorship. Then we have seen about the media decides what to focus on this way and agenda. So all this was seen here as a media, the importance of media in this lesson. Local media also we have read about. In this we have seen that the local people are involved to give the news of the locality to the local people, so that they are aware, the people are aware, the local people are aware about the happenings of their locality, and this is shown through the documentary films or small newspapers or like that, which is published by the local people only. So all this we have read in our previous class before the half yearly. We have gone through this. uh, in our next class, we are going to discuss the question answers, the textbook question answers, and extra questions in the next class. So, we will continue the lesson in the next class also, but with the question and answers. Few questions I have given of this lesson, that is very short questions. 4 to 5 very short questions were given of this lesson. So, in the notebook, you have to do those question answers. But first of all, in the notebook, write down that after the half yearly, where you are starting this course, just mention how you have to do the work. You know what type of work I prefer in the notebook. That means the next part you have to start with proper mentioning of the name of the lesson, number of the lesson, plus the very short question you write down. And in the PDF, I will give you the answers of those questions. What with those very short questions I have given previously, those very short questions and answers I will give it to you in the PDF. You can copy that in the notebook, but with the proper mentioning of the name of the lesson and heading, and write down civics also on the top. So I think it is clear. In the next class we are going to discuss with the textbook questions. Clear? Thank you.